Hello everyone, I miss you so much. Today we will learn how to read words with short vowel O. Oh, it's super easy. This is letter O. But first, my name is Tum Tum. What about you? What's your name? Oh, hi Tum Tum. Are you ready to read the words together? Yes, sure. But first, Tum Tum, do you know which letter is this? This is letter O. And the letter O makes the sound O, O, O. Super easy. The letter O makes the sound O, O, O. Yes, good job. Now, let's sing this song together. O says O, O says O. Every letter makes the sound O says O. Yeah, super.
Short O says O, O, O. Short O says O, O, O. Fox in a box, O, O. Fox box. Dog on a log, O, O. Dog log. Top goes hop, O, O. Top hop. Hot in a pot, O, O. Hot pot. Clap, clap, clap and sing with me. Short O sound, O, O, O. Fox and dog, log and box, top and hop, hot in a pot.
This is letter O, makes the sound O. And this is letter T, makes the sound T. We put them together so we have the word ought, 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 ought. Yeah, super. Oh, look at this. This is hot, ought, hot. It's a hot cup of tea. Hot. P, ought. Yes, pot. P, ought, pot. This is a pot. We use the pot to cook. Now it's your turn. Who can read this word? Hot, hot. Yes, super. What about this word? P, ought, pot. Yes, good job. Now, what about these two letters? Let's blend them together. O, P, up. O, P, up. Yes, we did it. Let's read the first word. Up. Mop. Up. Mop. We use the mop to clean. T, up, top. T, up, top. I am on the top of the mountain. Top. برافو عليكم. دلوقتي تقدروا تقرأوا الأربع كلمات من غير أي مساعدة؟ يلا وروني الشطارة. Super hot. Yes, pot. Excellent. Mop. Good job. Top. Yes. The cup is hot. The cup is hot. I see a pot. I see a pot. I use the mop. I use the mop. I'm at the top. I'm at the top. Super! We will play a rhyming game. هقول لكم كلمتين بينتهوا بنفس الصوت. هنجump يعني هننط. لكن لو مش بينتهوا بنفس الصوت they are not rhyming, we are not going to jump. جاهزين؟ ركزوا جدا في نهاية الصوت بتاع كل كلمة. The first word is cut. The second word is run. Cut, run. Uh-oh, no jumping. The first word is fox. The second word is box. Oh, fox and box. Yes, they are rhyming. Let's jump. Good job. The first word is top. The second word is hop. Top and hop. Yes, sure. Let's jump. The first word is pan. The second word is bed. Pan and bed. Oopsie. No, they are not rhyming. Now it's the sentence time. Let's try to read the sentence ladder together. Are you ready? Let's go. I mop. I mop the. I mop the floor. Super! So let's read the sentence. I mop the floor. Oh, can you try to read this one? This one is bigger. If you can read it, you'll be super smart. Let's try. The fox. The fox is. The fox is on. The fox is on the. The fox is on the log. Super! So let's read the sentence one more time. The fox is on the log. Good job! Guys, you were super today. I had so much fun. Don't forget to get down and download the papers and do the worksheets alone. You will find coloring activities and you will have so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.